In this video, I'll show you how to make word-by-word or one-word subtitles or captions in AutoSubs. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, I'm doing this video because the interface slightly changed from what we had, and I'm using AutoSubs version 3.5.3. The release is here, right here. You can see a couple of things that happened. But that's why I want to use it. If you'd like to download it, just go to your OS of choice, Linux, Mac, Windows, and all that. So I'm just going to open up AutoSubs because I already have it. And from here, I'm just going to get a video right here. So just drag and drop it right here. And one thing you need to take a note of, you need to have selected the file section right here. And we can actually minimize everything else. And also, you also need to select the model that you want right here. So for example, you can see I have a couple of things available here, but this particular one with the green box, the green checkbox here, is the one that I have downloaded, and that's the one we're going to use. Now, for you to make one-word subtitles, you need to click on the T. Once you click on that, you're going to get the option for text density, amount of text on screen. Click on that drop down and then click on single word. Once you do that, it's going to give you one word subtitles. Ensure that the line count is 1, and you can leave everything as it is, but if you wanted to remove punctuation, you can do that as well. Censor some words, you can do that as well. But that is done. Now let's click on generate subtitles. Once I click, it's going to do speech to text. It's going to load the memory and then automatically transcribe this particular video or audio into one-word subtitles right here. I can actually maximize this, and you can actually appreciate everything that you see here. They do have some few things that are new. This is first word, last word, and all that. But you can see we now have one-word subtitles other than this one. You can actually fix that in post, but most of the words are just one-word subtitles right there. Now once you're done, click on export, and then we want an SRT, and then we click on download SRT. We can call it whatever name we want. Let's call it AutoSubs one word .srt. Click on save, and then we go back to our folder. We've got AutoSubs one word right there, and you have the one word subtitles other than the one I actually walked you through, this one that we can actually fix in post right there. And that is how you can use AutoSubs to make one word or word-by-word subtitles in AutoSubs. That's it for this video. I hope it's of value to you. Thanks for watching.